In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this ZTE. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download this app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flartu Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your ZTE's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!